Mini! In style! Guys, it's 5:30 AM now, but you're going to join me travel halfway across the UK to go and pick up another Mini. So join me with Alex in a second. The Mini's not for me, by the way. It's for Alex. I'm pretty tired. I'm going to make a brew, get in the car, go to Alex's, and then we'll be heading down to Southend-on-Sea with a trailer on the back. So let's go. It's 8 AM, we've been driving, we're just in Birmingham. Alex is the chauffeur for today. Say hello, mate.
That's 294.
There you go. So we're driving down to Southend-on-Sea, all the way from Manchester, and all the way back in the same day. So let's just rewind for a few seconds and take a look where we're actually travelling. The blue dot is where we are at the moment, and this line that has appeared on the screen is where we're going to end up, and that is Southend-on-Sea, and that is approximately 240 miles away. By the time we've got the Mini messed about, stopped at Drive Thru's, probably done 500 miles. So you can see the extent of how big this journey is. So I'll shut up, you can have a quick scan of the view, what we're going to take in the van, and then we'll go back to this amazing video. We set off super early this morning and connected the trailer up in a pitch black, so we're a bit dirty right now.
Just to let you know as well, it's absolutely down.
So yeah, we'll spin on with the journey a bit more, and I'll try not to make it too boring of the driving shots. See you shortly. Yeah. Still no Mini. It's going on soon. We're just about to get it. If you just hold it high, you just look like an absolute spud. You know what I mean? Everyone looking at you. The mission continues. How far have we got to go?
91 miles.
How far?
91.
91 miles. I tell you what, it's a good job I'm not driving. So I'll get back in the mobile and hopefully have a Mini on the back next time I check in with you. Where you going, mate?
Just on the way to Southend-on-Sea.
Alright, I think I should leave you to it then.
Excellent. Just a quick shout out to Mark. Job on the services, mate. See you all in a bit.
Do it.
Oh, you got shoulder stabiliser, mate.
I got what?
Shoulder stabiliser.
My shoulder stabiliser.
Don't be putting that black guy in there.
Okay. Yeah, I best not do that. I think I upset someone last time. So there's no shoulder stabiliser and there's no black guy. Okay. So we'll crack on down here now. I'm being chauffeured. It feels very relaxing that I don't have to drive. Although I do feel me on it. Also, Alex has kindly said that when we get the Mini back to his, he'll let me drive it. So I've not drove a Mini for 2 years. This will be great. So I'll throw in just a bit more of driving footage, and then by the time we get there, you'll be seeing us pull up and getting the Mini on the trailer. Anything to say, mate?
No.
Okay. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Where's the steering wheel buttons, mate?
I spec this.
High spec?
High spec, mate. Top spec.
Is it? I think it's SE level, this pal.
SE level.
I am super tired. So we've made it here 200 and how many miles?
233 miles later.
233 miles later, all the way from Manchester, we've made it here. Guys, get in the car now. We need to load the ramps on the trailer and cue this time lapse of getting a blue Mini on the back of a trailer. So
In style.
In style. Now he knows it. Right, let's go.
mate, Mini number 2.
So he's got a red one, a blue one. See if you can guess what's coming next. So we've picked up his car. It's took us 4.5 hours to get here. We will look at it in a bit more depth when we get back, purely because it's such a long drive and we're on a time schedule because we're going out later. So this is the blue car, the machine. It's not as mint as his red one, anyone can see that, but he plans to do a bit of work with this one and use it like its own. 27,000 miles, he says.
27.
Chuff scale, mate, 1 to 10.
Obviously 10 in it, it's another Mini.
10, it's another Mini.
Mini for the collection.
Right, and let's crack on home.
Let's do it. Got something for us, man.
It's all about them rear view shots, innit, mate? Right, so the next time me and Alex check in will be when we're getting something to eat, because we're starving, we've not stopped, we've been on the road since, well, I was up at 5:30, he was up at 5, because new car excitement. It's like Christmas for him again. We'll crack on now, and I don't want to show any more driving shots, it's going to get boring. So when this camera spins back round, we'll be eating something, so see you shortly. You may not be able to hear me right now, but we've had to stop on the hard shoulder because Alex can't hold his bladder. But here is the Mini on the trailer. Let's check the straps. That one's got a bit loose again, pull it tight.
God, if you're a male and you drive an Audi TT, you've got issues.
I think he's decided that he wants to park like a total and utter bellend because we're taking about 14 space. Why are you doing this? Oh.
That's not a blue badge, that is a VIP badge.
In the club.
So we don't mess about. We don't mess about.
We don't. Definition of not giving a beep. Fancy a coffee?
Yeah.
I've got a better idea. We could get one there, but there's a far better idea coming, so I'll check in with you in a second. You know what's actually happening, don't you? You've never seen this before. I am on the trailer in the Mini and we are going through a drive-through and I am getting the coffee. Oh God, this is weird. Hi guys! Oh, you've been earning plenty of coin this week. Oh my God, guys, this is weird. In my Mini! 2 chocolate brownies, please, Alex.
Can I have 2 chocolate brownies, please?
2 brownies, yeah.
She's gonna look at me so weird. Oh my God. You need to get closer, pal. I'm just getting looked at like a right goon.
Oh, he's gonna pay behind. I'll just pull forward a little bit.
Sorry, we've just bought a new car and I've got to christen it basically, a drive-through. That's alright, mate. Oh, is it going to do it? Oh. You need to watch it when you swing.
I will, mate.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
Oh, quality, quality.
Oh, he's gonna curb. So guys, you saw it here first. If this isn't worth a subscribe, then I'm no longer continuing these videos. Oh my God, this was so worth it. And we managed to capture it all with a drone as well. With a GoPro. This is what it's like driving a Mini on a trailer. In style. Pussy, pussy. Oh, it's so bouncy. Right guys, yeah, that's enough gooning around. Let's get back in the car and head home. See you soon. That is just how you get a coffee in style. Simply lovely. Plenty in the tank. So as I did say in the car, guys, if that's not worth a subscribe, then there's no more Mini content. I won't give up on that, but that's got to be worth a subscribe. And obviously you're seeing it in the thumbnail first, but that's what we've done, waited for the whole trip. You have no idea how many service stations we have tried on the way home to see if a drive-through was a straight enough run to get in and out with a trailer. How many have you reckon we've been to?
6.
At least 6. We've had a lot of Starbucks coffees. Anyway, we're near Sheffield now. That was Woodall Services, so we should be home in the next hour or so. And then when Alex has got the car, dried it on everything, we'll nip back and then we'll just have a look at it in proper good daylight. Today's been a bit of a mad rush because we're going out later and Well, you've got to try and keep women happy, haven't you, mate?
That's it, mate. When you start buying 2 cars, you've got to keep your girlfriend happy.
I know.
Otherwise, you get in trouble quite easily.
Exactly.
So, if you guys think you can match the drive-through, tag us in it, and then hashtag drive-through challenge, and then let's see what you guys can get up to.
That's the one, and it's got to be car related. So try it. If you can beat it, tag us in it. Put it on Instagram, hashtag Team Slaphead, hashtag Total Car Review, and yeah, if you can beat it, that'll be great, and it'll be shared in the next videos if you can beat it. So I'll shut up, we'll crack on home. Potential drone footage again, but I doubt it now because it's getting pretty, yeah, it's getting a bit disgusting, this weather. Anything to say? Okay. No, oh, he's not doing it. The drone footage is a no-go because it's trying to snow up here and it's like -1 outside nearly. 10 miles of fuel to go. Are we gonna make it? It's officially got 0 miles.
And we're 100 yards.
We're 100 yards from home, basically. Face.
It's just precision, mate. It's all
Precision.
insane. Precision. Horrific.
2 days later.
Right, so you've joined us back here with Alex's Mini. It's a different day, that's why we're dressed different. I've grown a beard, Alex has had his hair cut, if you've noticed. But we're back, it's a different day because I've been caught up with other stuff and Alex has been busy. Mainly getting his main car back on the road and other stuff like that. So we'll just run to a different few shots so you can have a look around the car and see what you think. And then we'll actually discuss what the plan is for this. Right, so I hope you like them shots that I've just shown you. The car is a Rover Mini Sprite and it's 1995. How many miles has it done?
27,000.
27,000, and the service file and history file is like that. Everything, and it's, yeah, like that thick, and everything's in there. It's been kept that anally. The guy that's got the car kept a spreadsheet of how much he's spent on the car, and going back, how many years ago was it, before the owner that you bought it off?
So the guy in 1995 had it from obviously 1995 through till 2015, and then the second owners had it from 2015 up until last week.
And was looking for it before, and it's even the cost of the car when he bought it, all the services and everything, and then a total right in the back corner. And was it 18 grand or something?
So 18,000 over the 10 years. He spent 4.5 grand on servicing, and I've got like all the receipts and everything with the car to back it up. Every single MOT since new, original bill of sale, original option letters on the car.
I was just astonished by it, and that is probably the main reason why Alex has bought this. And not only for the red one that you saw, he doesn't really want to touch that. That's going to become a trailer queen because of the mileage. It's done just over 2,000.
Some people aren't going to be happy about that.
No, but it's got to be.
I don't care.
Yeah, it's got to be. At least he's bought another one. So this one he's going to be doing a few things to it, and he's just going to tell you what he wants to do to it. And then if you've got anything you want to suggest in the comments, drop it below, and I'm sure that he'll take it on board. So what are you feeling like doing for this?
So first thing is probably obviously tidy up the engine bay. Potentially what I do like a Cooper Cuba replica pack on it. Put it on some high-lows, 10-inch wheel conversion, exhaust, new interior, just a few little bits. That.
Just retro sort of mods to.
If anyone's got 10x6 wheels, what's it like for the
bounciness
power steering?
And the
well?
steering, yeah.
Not power steering. Yeah, the steering. So
that's something we actually pointed out the other day, because I was the one that got it off the trail, which you saw in the video at night, getting it off raining. And I've not drove a Mini for 2 years until they let me drive this one. And this has got 4-inch tyres on either side, so there's 8 inches of rubber that you need to move. And my forearms were burning just removing it. And the tyres that I'm putting on my car are going to be 7-inch onwards, so I'll have 14 inch of rubber to move without power steering.
So if anyone reckons to run 4.5 by 10 or 6 by 10, drop a comment and let us know.
Hoping to get this car followed, and I'll be picking up on this in a few videos and showing you what's going on. So I just had a last minute thought. What we'll do is, before we end this video and go elsewhere, we'll just carry on with what Alex is doing. We're just going to tart the engine bay up as he's working away right there. Cue the buttery shots of Alex painting away, doing a bit of brushing. Bit of brushing, pal. Feels nice to be not getting my hands dirty for once. So everybody knows painting your engine red gets you an extra 10 brake horsepower, and also I'd say an extra what, £500–600 in valuation.
Yep, I'm thinking a grand.
A grand.
Let us know what you think.
The 10 bhp. So if you want an extra 10 bhp, paint your engine red.
And on the plus side, it only costs you £7.49 from Alfred's.
Bit of time and labour, and you can see how much this car looks better. So what we will say is thanks for watching this video. It's been a long few days trying to film it and get something together. It's a bit different from normal, and yeah, if you don't mind, please hit that like button below, because it makes me want to keep doing this. It also makes me smile. If people want to make me smile, I know it sounds a bit cringy, but yeah, we'll see you in the next one, and hopefully I'll have another update with the Mini. Oh, we did forget, what's the name?
Hashtag Mary.
Hashtag Mary. We'll see Mary in another episode. Yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that button, and I'll see you shortly. Cue the outro.